If you want to learn the top 3 secrets to making more money on Instagram starting today, then keep on watching. Hey there, my name is Anna and I talk all about social media, personal branding, and online businesses every week. I have personally used Instagram as a traffic source for my business for the past 4 years, and I can say that it's a very effective source, especially when used correctly. Most people think that in order to make more money on Instagram, they need to do things like buying more followers, buying likes, buying comments, and maybe even paying for a bot that messages other people. And this is all so wrong. So today I'm gonna teach you 3 secrets that actually work in order to make money on Instagram. And the secret number 1 is engage with your audience, especially if they are your ideal client. Now, most people worry because they don't have the perfect engagement rate, because they don't get enough likes or comments, or because their followers count doesn't go up every single day. Some even worry about not having enough story views or video views. But you see, in order to get more engagement, you gotta look at the word engagement. You are supposed to engage with those people. Instead of waiting for them to like your photos and comment on your photos, you're supposed to go and do that for them. So if you want more engagement, why don't you try and follow your ideal client? Why don't you comment on their pictures? Why don't you reply to their story? Why don't you send them voice messages and words of encouragement every single week? You see, you think that because you are an expert or because you are providing some type of service or product that you're not supposed to go and beg for someone's attention, but the reality is that they're not gonna know that you exist unless you engage with them. Relationship building is the best marketing strategy. All the time. Don't be fooled by those who tell you to go and pay for an engagement bot or buy more followers. The key is in being yourself and creating real bonds with people. Secret number 2, post more valuable content. Seek for quality and not quantity. It doesn't matter if you don't post every single day. Most people think that they need to post every single day for the algorithm so they can get more followers, so they can be seen by everyone. But it doesn't really work like that. In order to get more clients, make more money, you need to post valuable content, actionable steps that people can take. When you do this, people are always gonna go to your page and look for those steps. For example, whenever I'm working out, I know that there are certain accounts that I'm following already that I can go to and find valuable content, like workout routines or some tips that I can take as I'm doing my workout. You see, anybody can post a good picture, but can everyone post valuable content? Value is king when it comes to content creation. If you want to stand out from the crowd, you can't be someone who's just posting every single day for the algorithm. You need to be the one that's posting whenever it's necessary, but it's only valuable content. And the secret number 3 is don't be afraid to talk about your offer. You see, the days of attraction marketing are almost gone. Yes, you can post a picture next to a very exotic car, but not a lot of people are gonna believe in it anymore because people are tired from the crowd. They want to see value, and when they see someone with a crazy lifestyle, sometimes they think that they cannot obtain that, and they probably can. So be more realistic and always talk about your offer, because you cannot expect for people to already know what you do for a living or what you can do for them. Oh, I know, but I don't want to be that guy or that girl who is always selling. Who cares? No one cares. If you have friends and family that will get mad at you for selling, then they can easily unfollow you, even though that should not be fair. But even if they decide to do it, that's completely fine. And you can always have a personal account where you share pictures of your cat and your friends. It doesn't matter. But your business account should be for selling. To be honest with you, your followers are probably following like thousands of people each. So I can assure you that you are not the only person that they are following. In fact, they might not always see your offer because they are just scrolling through the page. So in order to stand out, you need to talk about your offer more than you think you have to. There are studies that have shown that in order to close someone, they need to see your offer at least 7 times. So imagine, have you talked about your specific offer at least 7 times on Instagram? Even if you have, I can assure you that every single person hasn't looked at it at least 7 times. So you gotta be posting lots of times for every single person to really look at your offer. If you want me to give you an exact number, I would do at least 4 to 5 times a week. Go on your stories and seriously just go and talk about your offer. What can you do for others? What can you do for me? If I go to your profile and I go and watch your stories or look at your content, do I know what you're gonna offer me? Can I tell what your offer is? If the answer is no, then you need to go and change your content strategy. If you want to learn more about making money on Instagram, I have a free guide where I teach you how to build a $10,000 product, and I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to learn more about social media, personal branding, and online businesses every week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.